Same thing with number 10. Number 10 had an ln in it. And whenever you see ln, either simplifies or that's u. Whenever you see an arc trig function in an integral, that's going to be u. Okay? The tricky part of this is, what makes this look so nasty, is the square root is over the entire fraction. But remember we said if you take the square root of a fraction, that's the square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator. So we can just rewrite this a little bit. I know you can't erase yours, but you can rewrite it like this. Is that okay? So we're going to let u be arc sine, and there's a big fraction right here. U is going to be that arc sine because it has. There's no. You guys can't integrate arc sine yet. Okay, so if I give it to you an integral, it's got to be u. So u is going to be arc sine of 3x. Cool. Which makes du, you got to remember your derivative rules here. It's 1 over the square root of 1 minus the inside squared. So that's 9x squared. You see that in our integral? Times the derivative of the inside of the original thing, which is 3x. So the derivative of that is 3. And you got a dx. So that, yeah.
How come the u doesn't have the square root in it?
U doesn't have to have a square root. U is just, like, you can, yeah, because look, when we plug that u back in there, we're going to have the square root of u. Well, that's just u to a power, and we can integrate that. That's fine. Like, you don't have to take the square root as your u. Sometimes you do. You need to do that, but sometimes you don't. Okay? So the only thing we're missing here for our du is that 3. We don't have a 3 on top. So I'm going to put a 3 with this dx, but then I need to put a 1/3 out here. And then everything just falls into place. This is just 1/3 the square root. U is that arc sine, right? So that's the square root of u. And then du is everything else. Okay. So it makes sense where it's coming from? So then just to finish this off here, we have 1/3 the integral. And a lot of y'all aren't really paying attention to your integral sign and stuff too. You're leaving your integral signs in after you've done the integral. You're taking the integral sign away before you've done the integral. Okay? That integral's there until you actually do calculus. We haven't done any calculus yet. Calculus is like the power rule when we do that. That's what we're going to do right now. So u to the half becomes u to the 3/2. We're going to multiply that by 2/3, and there's already a 1/3 out there. And now that integral's gone. We've done the integral plus c. So the integral sign and the du are gone. They're a package. Okay? And then you plug back in what u was. So we get 2/9 arc sine of 3x to the 3/2 power plus c. Okay?